Hi everyone, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For my returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, into this video I have a unboxing. This is my first time buying of this brand over here from Golden Goose. I have a Golden Goose t-shirt that I purchased long time ago, that way back when I was in UK, and I keep passing by every time I go, to the store. And sometimes, I don't know, for some reason I said, you know what, I keep doing and keep looking at the website or store in this type. So you know what I'm talking about. So first, I'm gonna show you first that I purchased this as well. This Maison Francis Cordon. This is the toilet one, and I like the 54 Baccarat, but sometimes it's so smelled, by the way, so good. But sometimes when I spray first, it's kind of strong for me, so it's kind of put me off. So I tried the pink one, and I love it. It doesn't too strong, and I only get the small one. I always get like a small size. Okay, let's see. There you go. There you go, guys. This is so cute. This is the size of what, 50, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's just very simple white bottle, and yeah, it's a very light scent. So yeah, I like it. It's very light. It's more citrusy too. So yeah, very nice. That's the one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what well, you know what is this one, and this is my receipt. And most of the brand they're selling is sneakers, and for some reason, since we moved in the States, I've been loving a lot of sneakers rather than high heels or sandals. So yeah, so this is the one I like. There's a lot of choices in the store, and it's really confusing as well because you don't know which style that you like. Let's see, let's put that one. And it comes with this dust bag over here, and it says, for dreams use only, not designed for other activities. So it's quite cute. And the sneakers that I get is this one over here, because I asked her that I want something that I can wear from casual to, if I wear like a dress as well, that I can wear this one. I know it's not like a night out, no, it's just like, because if I'm wearing a dress I can wear this. So she pointing this to me because the glittery in the back, they have sequins everywhere, and it says Golden Goose, and you have Golden Goose. And this one over here is like a champagne color, and I saw something that I like as well, the all white, and it's very simple. And the other one, I asked her that what is this one. She said it's more like a Alexander McQueen kind of style. I like those type of shoes actually, but this is their original shoes. So most people actually, when I came in there, there's like at least 4 people trying their classic style, the Superstar. And so I asked, because some people they already have, they said, you know what, go for the classic one because that's the classic. It looks like it's like a dirt everywhere, but it's not. It just, that's the way their style is. That's why before I was debating like, should I purchase that? It looks like it's been run over shoe. But now I seen a lot of people see that it's like dirt, but it's not. That's the design. So they also have this one, just like a a little bit of height. They also have like probably that height. I did try, it's ending up like when I try to walk, it's like a slip out on the back of my heel. And so I don't like that one. So yeah, that's the one I get. It's very sparkly. I want something only simple, to be honest, but this is the one only caught my eye, so it doesn't look as well, you know, look like so dirty, not like the others, like it's so much dirty. I also purchased, let's see, the actually this one, it comes with this, but I buy as well with another one to match with this back over here. So the one I pick is just a simple lace golden goose like that. They also have like golden goose everywhere, but I don't want to be too much. So because this one over here already has sequins, and I don't want to be too much, like I said. And yeah, just a simple lace. And this one over here, the ones with the shoelace that include, for some reason it's too small. This is 110, and that's why I buy the other lace, because it's 130. So yeah, and I thought they can give you another free one like this, but it's not. I think this one would be perfect for like you know, when you tie your lace like that only, and you don't like make a knot. I just make a knot. And I see a lot of people doing like how to make your lace, you know, fashionably, very nice, how to tie your lace properly in your shoes. And so yeah, so this is the one I purchased. I finally had this one. I thought it was like 200 plus, but it's no, guys. I could buy another pair of a Gucci slides for this price. So yeah, but hey, I've been wanting this for so long, and yeah, I'm glad I got it. Actually, I decided myself like, hey, you know what, instead of keep going back and forth to the store, just get it. And so yeah, thank you guys. That's it, guys, for my unboxing of my first unboxings of this Golden Goose sneakers. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.